What's up, guys? Have you ever wondered how the credit system works or wondered why your credit score may not be where you want it to be and you have no idea what to do or how to get started with changing that? Well, my name is Ryan Alexander, and I want to teach you everything that I know about credit so that you too can have high credit scores and have awesome credit cards that earn great rewards. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how my program works. I'm going to go into screen share. I'm going to go right into my Credit Karma account to show you what I'm going to teach you about your credit profile. I'm going to dive in. As you can see, these are my scores here. I'm going to teach you how you get these scores. I'm also going to show you, I'm going to break down all the different credit factors and show you exactly what makes up your score and how you come up with these scores, how you too can build a thick credit profile where you only have 2% utilization and over $236,000 worth of available credit for you. If that's something that's interesting to you or you'd like to learn more, set up a one-on-one call with me. Click the link below. We'll schedule a call. I'll start teaching you everything you need to know so that you too can live a better life. Hope you guys have an awesome day. I'll catch up with you soon. Bye.